everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just wanted to say hello to everybody. If you are new, thank you for coming. If you are an old friend, thank you for coming back. So, have you ever had one of those days where you just feel like nobody sees you, and no matter what you do, nothing really works, and you're just exhausted on the inside and the outside? Well, that was me today. So nothing went wrong. It was all something inside of me, and you know, everybody is so supportive and so loving, but something inside me, I just was not having a great day. And when I got home, it's like God knew, and he sent this wonderful friend mail that somebody had told me was coming, but I had forgotten. And so that's what we're doing here today. And I just want to tell you that I care about you too. So if you ever had one of those days and you just need somebody to send you a gift or a smile or just a note of encouragement, my email address is down below. It may take me a day to answer back depending on my own day, but that's what I'm here for. I'm here to support and to care for you as well. And this is all about encouragement and about caring for each other. So this came for a precious woman named Lily. She contacted me and said that she is an active subscriber to my channel and watches videos, and wanted to know if she could send something. And I said, sure, why not? I would love to. And then I asked her if I could share it on video. So I'm not going to share something unless you want me to share it. And then on the box, I feel silly because right on the box it says, you can share. So Lily in New Jersey, thank you so much for your kindness and for sending a smile. So here we go. I'm trying to get into it. I'm a little bit off screen. If I accidentally cut myself, I'm sure you'll hear it. Okay. Okay, so here's a little note. Just wanted to write this for my favorite DP channels. Enclosed, you'll find a little gift from me. Hope you like them. A quick explanation why these 4 channels are on top for me. A year ago, she lost her husband of 29 years to lung cancer. In a matter of 1 to 2 months after diagnosed, they were 2 peas in a pod. The very first video I saw was Ella kicking cancer's butt. And I was hooked. At my therapy now, it calms me down and helps me clean my mind of crazy thoughts. You guys also keep me company in the background. My kids are 29 and 23 and have their own lives. Even though they are always here for me, it's not the same as your soulmate. I just wanted to show my gratitude for helping me through the dark times, even though none of you knew it. Can't wait for new videos from you all. P.S. You all have the same letter, but I included a separate card explaining why I enclosed what I did. Well, Lily, I just want to say thank you. These are therapeutic for me as well. I just feel like we all have a common heart and we all have a common soul as far as just needing to be loved, needing to connect, and just needing somebody to care and love us. And I hope I can be that for you guys, because you guys are that for me. And so I just want to thank you. And I didn't even know that that letter was coming when I did my opening. So I think God just knew, right? And connected us. So thank you so much. So this is so cute, this little diamond pot. It says it's for our wax. That is such a great idea, so that it's not on our easel or on our desk. That's great. Thank you so much, Lily. I love green. It's my favorite color. I don't know if you did that on purpose, but you rocked it, girl. Oh, this is so fun. All right, so magnets. Made them for you guys. Hope they're useful. And clothespins can hold the film back. Oh, my goodness. Did you convert this, Lily? This is so fun. Oh, my goodness. It feels amazing. Thank you so much. It's so fuzzy. Ooh, I love it. It's beautiful. Here's a polymer clay pen. Oh, that's gorgeous, and it sparkles. I know, Zoe, I see you. My doggy's on the side. She needs to go out, but I'm a little busy. Oh, maybe this is the pot you were thinking of to put the wax in. So sorry. That is so cute. She put, it's a clear container, and she put some washi tape around it to make it cute. Guys, Lily is so, oh my goodness, Lily. You are so creative. This is so fun. Oh my goodness. Oh, Lily, you did amazing. These are little magnets. Look at that. It's a little pineapple. Oh my goodness. That is so cute. I think I would have so much fun just randomly looking for anything that could get stuck on a magnet. You gotta tell me if that's what you did. It's a cute little, like a little ice, looks like a strawberry ice cream cone. If you guys can see that. Super cute. See what else is in here. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that butterfly. Oh my goodness, you are talented, Lily. You should do this as a side business. Oh my goodness, how did you think up of all this stuff? Little milk candy. See what else we got here. Oh, this one looks like another glass one. Ooh, I love that one. That tree is beautiful. Oh my goodness. I am feeling so loved, guys. Oh, I did not even know this is what was going to be in this box. And all these are handmade. Oh, this is cute. It's like a little clock. I love these little ones to hold it down when I'm done with the project. Like when I'm done with a part and I still want the covering over it to keep the dust off, I'll just line all the little ones up to keep it secure. So it's so nice to have. You can't have enough cover minders. Ooh, China Nat. Ooh, this one's beautiful. It's a heart cloud. So fun. This is a little ducky. This is like my favorite so far. Oh my gosh, I love that. That is super cute. Quack, 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 quack. I'm gonna use that tonight when I diamond paint. Not that the others aren't cute. That's just super cute. There's a little bunny. It's like a marshmallow bunny. Oh, see, they end up loving each other when they're next to each other. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that one. It's a mermaid tail. Look at that sparkle. That's gorgeous. And look, it matches my diamond right here. Oh my goodness. Lily, you have the gift to love people. I just want to tell you. I hope you had so much fun doing these because these are so sweet. And then a little owl. Those are so precious and I love the variety. Oh my goodness, because every day is different, right? Every day you're in a different mood. You might be in a more sophisticated mood or a pineapple quirky mood. Or, you know, yesterday was National Ice Cream Day. I could have done that. So these are awesome. And then little spoons that you can use. Little squishies for your pens. And then these cute little clothespins that you can help you hold the film back as well on the side. So this is so adorable, Lily. Thank you so much. You have no idea what this means to me. And I just want you guys to know, this is kind of what we do for each other, you know, when we talk to somebody or we feel led to love on somebody, that's when we act, you know. And Lily, you just did an amazing job listening to your heart, and it came today when I needed it the most. And I just appreciate that. I love you, and I just am glad that we can be there for each other. So thank you so much, and thank you to the community for being a support system. Please know that there are a lot of Lilies out there, people who just need that extra love and extra care, and that's why we're here. And so when you're in a live or you're talking or you're posting on Facebook, just kind of keep that in mind. Keep in mind that people are watching, people are observing, and there's a reason they're in this community. And so I love all of this, Lily, and I love you. So thank you so much. Until next time, you guys, take care, be blessed, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.